Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. We'll do a full update. We'll look at everything you need to know. I mean, in general, yesterday Bitcoin looked quite strong over the course of the day, but then we got a bit of a fake out in the afternoon. Because as you can see, and this is also what we talked about, I mean, if you just look locally at the price, technically, 71,000 and just above that at 71,200 really was one of the main levels technically to break. And I have the feeling that my microphone is a little bit less. I feel like it's a bit quieter, but let me know. But we failed to break above that. We got a fake out around 3 p.m. in my time zone, but that's it. And since then, and that's, well, it doesn't necessarily worry me, but it worries me a little bit. Since then, we have lost quite a lot of momentum, all right? So I'll quickly refresh this because there's a bit of a gap in the chart right there, which I don't think that should be there. If I can refresh it at least. I mean, yesterday I had some problems with my Wi-Fi. Right now it seems to be good. So yeah, that gap was a fake one, but we had a pretty significant drop in open interest right here. And basically right now, after the gain we had yesterday, we're back in that range where we were yesterday, or at least the days before that. So that's not necessarily bearish, but if there's one thing it is for sure, is that it's not bullish, all right? Because what you need to get a big bullish breakout is momentum. So if we look at Bitcoin purely technically, I would say we're still consolidating. I mean, you can see the EMAs. We dropped down below the 28 and the 50 EMA right here. That's a little bit of bearish confirmation, but technically there's also still so much support between 68,600 and ultimately the level we're at right now, or just below that at like 69,500. There's so much technical support that even though we got some technical bearish breakouts right there and technical bearish confirmations, I don't think they matter that much in terms of the market structure. Like I said, I think we are consolidating. However, yesterday, when it looked like we had, when we had momentum, what seemed most likely is that we would get that bullish breakout and start to rally up towards 73 and potentially 74,000, the previous all-time high. And right now, I'm a little bit less certain of that, all right? I believe today is also a no trading day in the US. The volume is down about 25%. So the volume dropping down together with the open interest and the momentum dropping down here, that's usually just a sign that we're not going to get that big of moves. So that's what I think you should be prepared for most. I think we can get some volatility today. It's the end of the month. It's a Friday. A lot of the places all over the world, we still do some trading today. However, just be a little bit more careful, right? I mean, yesterday we had volume, we had some momentum. So then if you break out, you can really do something. Whereas right now, it might actually be more likely that we will just spike up and down in this range, which we are in, between 68,500 and, let's say 71,500. So that will just bounce in this range. And that's it, and that we will get no significant bullish breakouts, but that a lot of people will get their liquidities hunted if they start trading short time frames. So be careful for that. I mean, ultimately, I do think we have a chance today to still get that bullish breakout, because I do think that a bullish breakout, given the fundamentals and given the technical setup right here, I think a bullish breakout is most likely. But if there's no confirmation, or if there's no bullish breakout above 71,200, then there's nothing. And we are just consolidating with no volume, with no momentum, and no reason to break out of that. So that's what I think you should expect. In general, something like this is what you should expect. And then over the course of today, if we actually do gain some momentum, so if the open interest starts recovering from here, then it's possible we get a bullish breakout and we actually start rallying back up to the previous all-time highs. But until then, nothing's for sure, all right? So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.